Salvador Dali by Megan Jansen. Salvador Dali is often described as an eccentric character often recognized by his mustache. His full name is Salvador Domingo Felipe Jacinto Dali y Tomac, and he was born on May 11, 1904, in Figueres, Catalonia, Spain. He died on January 23, 1989, also in Figueres, Catalonia, Spain. His family unit consisted of his mother, his father, and his younger sister. His mother was named Felipa Domecq Vieras, and she was the one who often encouraged her son's artistic ambitions. She died of uterine cancer when he was 16 years old, which was very hard on him. His father, on the other hand, whose name is Salvador Rafael Jacinto Dali Cusi, was a strict disciplinarian. He was a middle-class lawyer and notary, anti-clerical atheist, and federalist. He had a younger sister named Anna Marie by 3 years, and he did have an older brother, who was also named Salvador, but he died 9 months prior to his birth from gastroenteritis. Dali's first education was the Municipal Drawing School at Figueres in 1916, and he also studied at the Residencia de Estudiantes in Madrid and studied at the Real Academia de Bellas Artes de San Fernando. In 1934, Dali married Gala, a Russian immigrant 10 years his senior, who was married when they met in 1929. Gala acted as Dali's business manager, and they were in an open relationship as they both participated in extramarital affairs. The picture on the right is Sigmund Freud, who is Dali's personal hero. Dali was also a part of a surrealist group, and surrealism is characterized by dreamlike visuals, the use of symbolism, and collage images. The first art piece I'd like to discuss is called Young Woman at a Window, and it was created in 1925. It is oil on paper, and it is a realist work of his sister Anna Maria. I chose this picture as the first one due to the realism used instead of surrealism he is the most known for. Throughout the presentation, you'll see more art pieces of surrealist work, and you will see the differences between them. The next painting is Persistence of Memory, created in 1931. It is oil on canvas and is one of the most recognizable works of surrealism. The next piece is The Great Masturbator, oil on canvas, created in 1929. Next is Lobster Telephone, created in 1936. It was a sculpture, and it was a collaboration between Dali and Edward James, who was an English poet. Next is The Burning Giraffe, created in 1937. It was painted before his exile in the U.S., which was from 1940 to 1948. Next is Swans Reflecting Elephants, created in 1937, oil on canvas. Then we have The Elephants, created in 1948, which is also oil on canvas. The next painting is Galatea of the Spheres, created in 1952. It is an oil on canvas painting, and Gala, his wife, is the muse. Dali often used his wife as his muse until her death. When she lived in a castle on her own, he was often depressed, as he used her as his muse. Next is The Melting Witch, which is created in 1954. Next is The Meditative Rose, created in 1958. It is one of Dali's favorite paintings. Citations.